Revolutionary discoveries in joint health reveal that certain everyday foods can dramatically reduce arthritis pain and restore mobility in seniors within weeks, not months. At 75, Marie discovered that her morning stiffness and swollen ankles weren't inevitable signs of aging but symptoms of declining collagen production that could be reversed naturally. After decades of research, scientists have identified specific nutrients that can rebuild cartilage, reduce inflammation, and restore joint flexibility without prescription medications or expensive supplements. The groundbreaking study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry followed 300 seniors for 12 weeks and found that those consuming targeted collagen-rich foods experienced 42% less joint pain and 38% improved mobility. What makes this discovery so remarkable is that the most powerful joint-healing foods are already sitting in your kitchen, waiting to transform your daily comfort and movement. The human body produces approximately 25% less collagen each decade after age 25, creating a cumulative deficit that becomes painfully apparent in our 70s and 80s. This decline affects not only joint cartilage, but also the synovial membrane that lubricates joints and the ligaments that provide structural stability. Understanding this biological reality helps explain why traditional approaches focusing solely on pain management often fail to address the root cause of joint deterioration. Stay with me as I reveal the 7 most potent foods for joint regeneration, ranked by their collagen content and therapeutic impact, because the final food contains compounds that can increase synovial fluid production by 57% in just 21 days. Starting with our 7th most powerful joint healer, bone broth represents liquid therapy for aging cartilage and inflamed joints. When animal bones simmer for 12 to 24 hours, they release collagen types 1 and 2, glucosamine, chondroitin, and hyaluronic acid directly into the broth. These compounds work synergistically to rebuild the cushioning matrix between bones while reducing the inflammatory cascade that causes morning stiffness and evening swelling. The slow cooking process breaks down complex protein structures into easily absorbed peptides that can cross the intestinal barrier and reach joint tissues within hours of consumption. Dr. Philippe Dubois from the Institute of Rheumatology in Lyon followed 68 seniors who consumed 1 cup of homemade bone broth daily for 10 weeks. The results were striking. Participants experienced 31% reduction in knee pain, 24% improvement in hip flexibility, and significant decreases in inflammatory markers like C-reactive protein. Interestingly, the study also revealed improvements in sleep quality and digestive health, suggesting that bone broth's benefits extend beyond joint support. The key lies in preparation technique that maximizes nutrient extraction from bones and connective tissues. Use grass-fed beef bones, free-range chicken carcasses, or wild-caught fish bones with plenty of cartilage attached. Knuckle bones, marrow bones, and joints contain the highest concentrations of collagen-producing compounds. Add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to the water before heating, as the acid helps draw minerals and collagen from the bones. Include aromatic vegetables like onions, carrots, and celery, along with fresh herbs for flavor enhancement. Simmer gently without boiling vigorously, as excessive heat can damage the delicate protein structures. The ideal temperature ranges between 85 to 90 degrees Celsius, creating the perfect environment for collagen extraction without protein denaturation. For seniors struggling with food preparation, high-quality frozen bone broths are available, though homemade versions provide superior bioavailability. The consistency should be gelatinous when cooled, indicating successful collagen extraction. Consume warm between meals or use as a base for soups and stews to maximize absorption. Adding a pinch of sea salt enhances mineral absorption and supports proper hydration of joint tissues. If you're finding this information valuable for your joint health journey, please subscribe and activate the notification bell to strengthen our community of health-conscious seniors. Your support helps us continue sharing these evidence-based discoveries that can transform your daily comfort and mobility. We receive messages daily from viewers who have experienced remarkable improvements in their joint health after implementing these nutritional strategies. Our 6th most powerful joint supporter, wild-caught salmon with bones, provides marine collagen that specifically targets cartilage regeneration. Unlike farm-raised varieties, wild salmon contains higher concentrations of omega-3 fatty acids, astaxanthin, and bioavailable calcium from its edible bones. The combination of marine collagen peptides and anti-inflammatory compounds creates a powerful synergy for joint healing. Marine collagen has a unique amino acid profile that closely matches human joint cartilage, making it particularly effective for repair and regeneration. Canned salmon with bones offers the most convenient and affordable option, as the canning process softens bones to an easily digestible state. Research conducted at the University of Bordeaux demonstrated that seniors consuming 3 servings of salmon with bones weekly showed 28% reduction in joint inflammation and improved cartilage thickness on MRI imaging. The study participants, aged 62 to 81, reported significant improvements in stair climbing ability and reduced evening joint stiffness. Many participants noted that activities they had avoided for years, such as gardening or dancing, became enjoyable again. Marine collagen differs from terrestrial sources in its amino acid profile, providing specific building blocks for synovial membrane repair. The astaxanthin in wild salmon acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting newly formed collagen from free radical damage. Choose wild-caught Alaskan salmon for optimal nutrient density and minimal environmental contaminants. Sockeye and coho varieties contain the highest levels of beneficial compounds for joint health. Mash the bones into the flesh using a fork, creating a calcium-rich paste that can be spread on whole grain crackers or mixed into salads. The omega-3 fatty acids EPA and DHA work alongside collagen to reduce prostaglandin production, the compounds responsible for joint inflammation and pain. For maximum absorption, consume with vitamin C-rich foods like bell peppers or citrus fruits, as this vitamin is essential for collagen synthesis. The synergistic effect of vitamin C and marine collagen can increase absorption rates by up to 40% compared to consuming collagen alone. Moving to our 5th position, organic egg yolks contain sulfur compounds and biotin that serve as catalysts for natural collagen production. The sulfur in egg yolks helps form the cross-links between collagen fibers, creating stronger and more resilient joint structures. Unlike egg whites, which primarily provide protein, yolks contain the cofactors necessary for collagen assembly and maintenance. The choline in egg yolks supports cellular membrane integrity, ensuring that nutrients reach joint tissues efficiently. A clinical trial published in Nutritional Research followed 43 seniors with mild joint discomfort who consumed 2 whole eggs daily for 8 weeks. Participants showed 18% reduction in morning stiffness and 25% improvement in joint flexibility, particularly in the hands and knees. Blood analysis revealed increased levels of procollagen, the precursor to mature collagen, and decreased inflammatory markers. The biotin in egg yolks supports the enzymatic processes that convert amino acids into functional collagen structures. Biotin deficiency, common in seniors due to decreased absorption, can significantly impair collagen synthesis and joint repair. Choose pasture-raised eggs from hens with access to natural foraging, as these contain higher levels of omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. The vitamin D content in egg yolks from pasture-raised hens is 3 to 4 times higher than conventional eggs, supporting calcium absorption and bone health. Gentle cooking methods preserve the delicate nutrients in egg yolks, so opt for poached, soft-boiled, or lightly scrambled preparations. Avoid overcooking, which can oxidize the beneficial fats and reduce bioavailability of sulfur compounds. The lecithin in egg yolks also supports cellular membrane health, improving nutrient transport to joint tissues. For optimal results, consume the entire egg, as the white and yolk work together to provide complete amino acid profiles. The selenium in egg yolks acts as a cofactor for glutathione peroxidase, an enzyme that protects joint tissues from oxidative stress. Our 4th most potent joint healer, grass-fed beef tendons, represent the ultimate source of type 1 collagen for structural joint support. When properly prepared, tendons release concentrated collagen peptides that directly target weakened ligaments and cartilage. Traditional Chinese medicine has utilized beef tendons for centuries to strengthen bones and improve joint function in elderly populations. Modern research confirms that tendon collagen has unique properties that make it particularly effective for joint repair and pain reduction. The collagen in tendons is densely packed and cross-linked, providing maximum therapeutic benefit when broken down through slow cooking. A groundbreaking study at the Institute of Sports Medicine in Marseille found that seniors consuming tendon-based dishes twice weekly experienced 47% improvement in joint stability and 33% reduction in pain scores. The study also revealed improvements in balance and coordination, reducing fall risk among participants. The high concentration of glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline in tendons provides the exact amino acids needed for collagen synthesis. Glycine comprises nearly 1/3 of the amino acids in collagen, and has additional anti-inflammatory properties that benefit joint health. Slow cooking is essential to break down the tough connective tissue and release bioavailable collagen. Simmer tendons in seasoned broth for 8 to 12 hours until they become tender and gelatinous. The resulting texture may require adjustment, but the therapeutic benefits are unmatched by any supplement. Add aromatic spices like ginger, star anise, and soy sauce to enhance flavor and digestibility. Ginger contains gingerol compounds that have been shown to reduce inflammatory markers and enhance collagen absorption. Cut cooked tendons into small pieces and incorporate into soups, stews, or rice dishes for gradual introduction. The collagen from tendons forms a gel-like consistency that coats and protects joint surfaces during movement. For those new to eating tendons, start with small amounts mixed into familiar dishes to allow taste buds to adjust gradually. Taking the third position, sardines consumed whole with bones and skin provide a complete package of joint-supporting nutrients. These small fish contain type 1 collagen, calcium phosphate, and elastin that work together to maintain joint integrity. The omega-3 fatty acids in sardines reduce inflammatory cytokines, while the collagen rebuilds damaged cartilage structures. Sardines are also rich in coenzyme Q10, which supports cellular energy production in joint tissues and may slow cartilage degradation. Portuguese researchers followed 57 seniors who ate sardines 3 times weekly for 12 weeks. Results showed 32% reduction in ankle swelling, 26% improvement in walking distance, and measurable increases in cartilage thickness. The combination of marine collagen and anti-inflammatory compounds creates a powerful therapeutic effect for age-related joint degeneration. Participants also reported improved energy levels and better mood, likely due to the omega-3 fatty acids' effects on brain health. Choose sardines packed in water or olive oil rather than vegetable oils, which can promote inflammation. Ensure the fish are whole with bones and skin intact, as these parts contain the highest concentration of beneficial compounds. The calcium from sardine bones is chelated with amino acids, making it highly bioavailable and easily absorbed. Mash sardines into a paste with avocado and lemon juice for a nutrient-dense spread that masks any strong flavors. The vitamin K2 in sardines helps direct calcium to bones and joints rather than soft tissues, supporting proper mineralization. Consume regularly rather than sporadically, as consistent intake is necessary for cumulative benefits. The nucleotides in sardines support cellular repair and regeneration throughout the body, including joint tissues. Our second most powerful joint supporter, pumpkin seeds, provide the essential minerals required for collagen synthesis and joint maintenance. These small seeds contain zinc, manganese, and magnesium in optimal ratios for supporting enzymatic processes involved in collagen production. Zinc activates the enzymes that initiate collagen synthesis, while manganese strengthens the connective tissue matrix. Magnesium reduces inflammation and supports muscle function around joints, providing stability and pain relief. The tryptophan in pumpkin seeds supports serotonin production, which can help manage chronic pain associated with joint conditions. A randomized controlled trial published in Biological Trace Elements Research demonstrated that seniors consuming 30 grams of pumpkin seeds daily experienced 19% reduction in joint swelling and 27% improvement in flexibility. The study participants aged 65 to 79 showed significant improvements in grip strength and walking speed. Many participants noted reduced reliance on pain medications and improved sleep quality. Raw or lightly roasted pumpkin seeds provide the highest mineral bioavailability. Soaking seeds overnight in salt water reduces phytic acid, which can interfere with mineral absorption. After soaking, rinse and lightly roast for enhanced flavor and crunch. Ground pumpkin seeds can be added to smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal for easy incorporation into daily meals. The antioxidants in pumpkin seeds also protect existing collagen from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Regular consumption supports not only joint health but also immune function and cardiovascular health. The plant sterols in pumpkin seeds may help reduce inflammation throughout the body, including in joint tissues. Finally, our most powerful joint healer, gelatin powder, represents the most direct and absorbable form of collagen available. This concentrated protein provides the exact amino acids needed for cartilage repair and synovial fluid production. Unlike whole food sources, gelatin powder bypasses lengthy digestive processes and delivers collagen peptides directly to joint tissues. The molecular weight of gelatin peptides allows for rapid absorption through the intestinal wall and transportation to joint structures. Clinical research at the University of Nice followed 84 seniors with moderate joint discomfort who consumed 15 grams of gelatin daily for 6 weeks. The results exceeded expectations. Participants experienced 44% reduction in knee pain, 39% improvement in mobility scores, and increased cartilage thickness visible on ultrasound imaging. The rapid absorption of gelatin allows for quick therapeutic effects, often within 2 weeks of consistent use. Participants reported feeling more confident in their movements and experienced less fear of falling or injury. Choose unflavored gelatin powder from grass-fed sources without artificial additives or sweeteners. The quality of gelatin depends on the source animal's diet and living conditions, with grass-fed sources providing superior amino acid profiles. Dissolve in warm bone broth, herbal tea, or simply warm water for optimal bioavailability. The powder can also be incorporated into homemade gummies using natural fruit juices for a pleasant delivery method. Consistency is crucial for sustained benefits, as collagen turnover in joints requires continuous amino acid supply. Morning consumption on an empty stomach maximizes absorption and utilization by joint tissues. The glycine in gelatin has calming properties that may improve sleep quality, which is essential for joint repair and recovery. These 7 foods represent nature's most powerful tools for joint regeneration and pain relief in seniors. By incorporating these collagen-rich options into your daily routine, you provide your body with the essential building blocks for healthy, pain-free movement. The synergistic effects of combining multiple collagen sources create exponential benefits compared to relying on single foods or supplements. Remember that joint health is a journey, not a destination, and consistent nutrition choices create lasting improvements in comfort and mobility. The inflammatory cascade that contributes to joint pain can be interrupted and reversed through targeted nutrition, offering hope for seniors who thought their discomfort was permanent. Hydration plays a crucial role in joint health, as cartilage is 75% water, so consume these foods alongside adequate fluid intake. Which of these foods will you add to your meals this week? Your joints deserve the best nutrition possible, and these evidence-based choices can transform your daily experience of movement and comfort. The investment in your joint health today determines your mobility and independence tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe and activate notifications for more practical health insights designed specifically for seniors, because your mobility and comfort matter more than ever. Share your experiences with these foods in the comments below, as your journey can inspire others to take action for their joint health.